Here's the star of our show. Ethan the Eagle in the Mercedes Metris is about to pull up to the Bank of America drive-thru and then will pull in behind me as I was making my simple bank deposit. That should take no more than 3 minutes. Watch the dash cam clock for time. It's 2 minutes and you'll find out if his patience will hold up at that time. Will you just be patient for once, patient prick? Fuck off. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.